Hello, today we will talk about our correlation tools. The name is corix. If you want to check this tool, you need to click here. Then this window will appear. Okay, what does that mean? If you get more information about what is that, docs.bam bam signals.com, or you can see any kind of detail here, or you can click here. It will show you what is correlation. If you can read these things, you will understand what is correlation, how it's working, and why we need that. Okay, everything is here. So I will come to the point. Okay. We click corix, then this window is appear. So this is data means I want to check spot price or future price. Most of I'm using spot future price, but also you can check spots, but I will check futures. Okay. Then for me, it is important things for first of all the Bitcoin, and I will choose interval for 2 hours. You can use different kind of correlation. You can check different kind of correlation. You can check close correlation, open information, high, low, and volume also. Today I will check close. Then this is search candle. It will be check last candles for BTC. Means I will want to them maximum 50 candle, 50 last candle check. It will be check last 50 candle correlation. Okay. Then we will click this search. As you can see here, it says right now is BTC, and if you click this plus button, you will get the chart. Click it, and it's appear. So it says this is the BTC. As you know, we check the BTC, so it's BTC price data because we are checking right now close price data. Okay. Then it says it's 94% rules. It's the same correlation last 50 coin, 50 candle. So it means when you click this last 50 candle, okay, we can check like that. Last 50 here, and I think it's here also. Yeah, we can calculate. Okay, then here to 50. Okay, it's enough, yeah. 43, 42 is enough. 51. Okay. It says this movement, this fractal is same. 94% is same. Okay. But it says AGLD, it's not same with this Bitcoin. It's the negative correlation. We can click it. Then it says, as you can see here, when it's going down, it's going up. So you can find that kind of differences when you use the corix. Of course, some of them using these tools, example for the hedge position. Example, if it's going down, if it's going up, it's entering the long position here, it's going to short position here, so he can be hedge his position. Or you can check the different way these things. Example, if you check the long term, most of you need to check the positive correlation. It says 85. It's a little bit low. I'm looking for the long position, for the positive side. 90 if it's possible. If it must be close to reach 90%. Okay, 175, 150. Okay, what about 4 hour? We can check 4 hour as well. Aha, H bar. Okay, it's too long. We can check 100. BNT H bar is better. Okay, it says for the long term analysis, the Bitcoin and H bar it's same correlation, more than 4 hours 100 candles. Means it says with this period, with this period, it's doing same movement, same fractal. They are following same path. It's better path. Really? Okay, here. Here. Yeah, it's like that. These are the percentage 95. So what's that mean? It says last 150 candle they are moving together. Okay, it's not happen BTC, but when you check the other coins, other tokens like other altcoins, call alt, it says example, you made some analysis, then you are looking to entry, okay, but you are not sure your analysis. So it means you can check their correlations for the long term. If you want to enter long from here, okay, but you are waiting approval, and you can check the other best correlation tokens. If it's broken, the others, I mean it's others. If it's broken, it means it will be broke, because for the long term they have same movement. Okay, this is the first point of correlation method. And you can check different points, like we can check is you want no link. Okay, link. Okay, for the scalping we can try scalping. Okay, it's AVAX and leaks, they have same effort, same fractal. Then what's happened? Okay, you can see here they have same fractal. So example, I made some analyze. Okay, I said it will become this resistance like that. If it's broke, he will be go till there. So I will open also GRT and Theta. But I want to enter this position on link like that. So right now we are waiting that. It's also same. It's also same. So if any of them have cracked the area, this resistance point, it means, or two of them, it means also link will move same way. This is the correlation. Thank you so much, guys.